The full touchscreen large diameter CVD coating electric furnace is here. Intelligent temperature control, essential tools for carbon material growth, semiconductor coating and other coating and sintering processes. Adopting a full touchscreen operating system, the operation is convenient and fast, and the data can be stored and exported through Excel. Reusable stainless steel sealing flange, easy to disassemble and assemble, good sealing performance, and can be evacuated to various atmospheres. Mainly used for CVD process, such as silicon carbide coating, ceramic substrate conductivity testing, controllable growth of nanostructures, ceramic capacitor atmosphere sintering and other experiments. Temperature, furnace tube material, furnace tube length, number of gas pads, vacuum degree, vertical and horizontal structure and other configurations can all be changed.